Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn your Google browser into dark mode. So let's start by clicking on the settings button, come down to extensions, visit Chrome Web Store. So basically what we need is we need an extension. And you have all your extensions over here. Once you have them downloaded or installed, they will appear over here. So now we're going to search for the dark mode extension. Click on the first, click on Add to Chrome. It's a little preview. It will turn Wikipedia into a dark mode. Now let's go ahead, add the extension, click on that. And now it's been added. Dark mode has been added to Chrome. If I click over here, you can see it has been added. So let's try on this side and boom, there you go. If I want to return back to normal view, let's click on it again and it goes back again. There you have it, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.